Good afternoon, traders. It is Erica at Alpha E-Trades. It is Wednesday, August 11th, about 4:57 p.m. Quick video on the markets. I haven't done a video in a few days as the market's been kind of sideways. Let's take a look at NQ here now. NQ, looking for just a little bit of a corrective pullback. Here on the 4-hour chart, we're targeting down into 14,941. And then we've got target 2 down here at 14,868. So again, traders, this is NQ. From a 15-minute chart today on our live private Twitter service that we have, we had 2 targets hit on intraday. I have a target 3 over here still pending, and it's in correlation with our 4-hour chart. So that's what we've got for the time being on NQ. RTY, let's take a look at RTY. This has been a little bit of a slow mover. Okay, we are targeting 2303. Now, we were bearish on just on a corrective pullback, and it did go through, but for a few ticks, and then it stalled. Okay, now, where's my chart? There we go. Here's the 4-hour chart here, traders, for another potential setup here on RTY. Okay, targeting 2290 if we can get a close above this breach point at 2264. Okay, however, though, I do see this heading back to the downside here after we get to the target here at 2303 on RTY. Now, ES, let's take a look at ES. We hit all-time highs today, and in our live trade private Twitter service, we spot on hit that target here. Let's take a look at ES. Okay, let me get my charts in order here. Okay. So here it was target 1 to the tick traders. Our pattern recognition, pretty darn good for all-time highs. So something to point out, a lot of services and traders use supply and demand. This does not work when you're hitting all-time highs, because supply and demand, you have no previous resistance to draw in supply. Okay, so sure, down here you can draw in. So right here would be, let's see, right here would be our levels for demand, no problem. Price comes down here and you expect market to bounce, but then sometimes price doesn't even go as far as I put on the video on our website. Sometimes it doesn't even go as far. So what we do is we fine tune targets and price action in between supply and demand. And then another problem is once we get into all-time highs, there is no supply to draw. It's not there yet because we've never been there. There's no resistance. So just an example of exactly what we do here at Alpha E-Trades is we fine tune trading in between the large supply and demand theory, so to speak. Okay. And so this is what we're looking at, spot on 44.43. Over here is our 15-minute chart here, traders. Ironically, we're targeting back into the 44.43. I am expecting a little bit of a correction, though, coming into this week, maybe 50 to 100 points. And we will go level by level and take a look at those charts at what we are trading in the real time. I say in real time because market can adjust literally within hours. Okay, so I don't like to go so far out into the future. Yes, we are uber bullish. So from a 4-hour perspective, an example, we had this target for 44.43 for over a week, but yet from the 5-minute and 15-minute charts, we were trading short intraday through this area here. Okay. So with that being said, traders, hope you're having a wonderful start to August. We do have our live private Twitter backup. If you're interested, visit our website at Alpha E-Trades. We have over 800 subscribers, and so just to give you an idea of what we do, we are constantly posting our targets for our trades and updating charts, etc., etc. This is made in addition to your trading toolbox to fine-tune those levels, especially with all-time highs on where the market is going. All right, traders, have a wonderful evening, and we will be back.